welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making something super fast and super easy. It's just a very simple stir fry with tofu. Again, because I don't use a lot of different types of seasoning, you can interchange the veggies and the proteins as you wish. Sometimes I do this with a Gardein chicken. Sometimes I do this with TVP, soy curls, but today I just happen to be doing it with yes, bubbly. You want to say hi? Yeah. Today I'm just going to be doing it with tofu because we have tofu available. So I'm just going to fry up some tofu, yeah, and make some stir fry. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so let's get started. this is how it turned out. This is what it looks like. This is a very, very simple stir fry. The flavors are the veggies themselves. I didn't add any salt or anything. I added a little bit of vegan seasoning. I like vegan seasoning because it is all veggies that's in powdered form, so it just enhances the flavors that are already there. But yeah, this is so versatile. Depending on how many veggies I use and how much of a big of a batch that I end up with, we repurpose this throughout the week. We'll eat it with white rice and a little bit of soy sauce or something savory, like another savory dish, Mongolian beef or braised chicken. Oh, I know, princess. But yeah, and then one of my other favorite things to do is we'll take pita bread and we'll put it into a filling and make it into like a pita bread wrap type of thing. And then we'll put cheese, avocado, and like tomatoes on top, like a tomato sauce type of thing. And then one of my favorite things to do, actually my ultimate favorite dish ever, I wrap it up into a spring roll. So I'll take rice paper, lettuce, fresh herbs, put the stir fry in, roll it up, and dip it into some vegan fish sauce or vegan mukbang, right? And that is, I have no idea why, but I love that. It is my favorite. I eat it every single year for my birthday because that's the only thing that I want to eat. Oh, and then since my husband is Mexican, we do vegetable burritos, veggie burritos. We'll take flour tortilla, put the stir fry in, a little bit of cheese, and then we'll grill it up so that the cheese melts and you've got yourself a veggie burrito. I mean, you can add rice and stuff like that too, but it's good. It stands really well on its own. But yeah, I hope you guys give this a try. And again, because I don't add very much seasoning to it, you can substitute any kind of protein that you have, any veggies that you want to add to it or take out of it. My husband doesn't like carrots, but I still put it in. He probably would have preferred that I leave it out. You can definitely leave that out if you want to. Add mushrooms, broccoli, snow peas, whatever it is that you want. But yeah, let me know how that goes. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!